Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sarah. I am delighted to welcome you to my presentation on technology risks and projects. The topic I am presenting is linked to risks and project management, focusing on how technology, while helpful in many ways, can also create challenges and risks that might affect the success of projects. This presentation explores the various types of technology risk, their implications, and strategies for effective mitigation. Additionally, it identifies emerging technologies and trends that project managers and their teams should consider. So, what is technology risk and how can it affect projects? In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, projects heavily depend on technology for efficiency, innovation, and achieving objectives. However, this reliance also introduces numerous risks. These risks emerge from various factors such as rapid advancements in technology, cybersecurity threats, and system failures. To effectively manage these technological risks associated with projects, project managers must adopt a systematic and structured approach to identify, analyze, and mitigate potential threats. The objectives of my presentation is to identify and categorize technology risks in projects, to understand their impact on project outcomes, and to explore mitigation techniques and strategies to enhance project resilience. This presentation is essential for project managers, IT professionals, and organizations looking to adopt technology effectively while safeguarding against potential setbacks. The most important findings include identification of technology risks. The first one is cybersecurity threats or cybersecurity breaches involved in technology projects. With the rapid adoption of AI and cloud computing, technology projects now face increasing risks such as cyber threats, including malware, phishing attacks, and data security related threats. The Equifax data breach 2017, which exposed data of 147 million users due to software vulnerabilities, could be an example that we can add to cybersecurity threats. According to one study, 60% of IT project failures arise from ineffective cybersecurity measures, including insufficient encryption. Furthermore, these risks can stem from remote working, which easily expands this attack surface for cyber criminals. Then we have the operational risks. Failures in IT infrastructure, hardware malfunctions, and software bug leading to disruptions in project execution. British Airways IT system failure in 2017 is a notable example of operational risks that caused flight cancellations and huge financial losses exceeding £80 million. Then we have the human-related risks or adaptation and adoption risks involved in technology projects. Project success rates reduce when there is resistance to change. If technological innovations are even deployed successfully, its success rate or its effectiveness depends on human adoption. If human adoption is poor, such as complex user interface and poor user training, then the success rate of that project reduces. It should be noted that digital transformation failures occur frequently due to employee resistance and poor user adoption. According to a study, over 60% of the failures related to digital transformation are just because of poor user adaptation and employee resistance toward the change. One major example could be the Challenger disaster. We have the vendor dependency risk, which is a single vendor dependency risks in technology projects. It means dependency on a single seller for solutions related to critical technology vulnerabilities. If the vendor stops supporting the product, moreover, if it expands costs suddenly, and if it fails to provide upgrades upon which they agreed. All these factors contribute to vendor or supplier risks. The market and strategic risks are when organizations invest in speedily outdated technologies, or when organizations fail to align IT investments with business goals and objectives. Due to privacy concerns, unclear use cases, and low consumer adoption, Google Glass failed, which resulted in the discontinuation of Google Glass. Compliance and ethical risks involved in technology projects are AI tools, big data, and automation. These factors contribute to ethical risk. Nowadays, AI is on trend. These AI tools, these big data, and automation introduces ethical risks such as AI biases, data privacy concerns, and regulatory compliance issues. Amazon and Meta were fined for violating European Union data protection laws. In 2021, Amazon was fined 746 million euros, and in 2023, Meta was fined 1.2 billion euros. The critical insights of this presentation includes two aspects. The first one is the cybersecurity risk. A recent study by Johnsons and Wong 2022 reveals that 60% of IT project failures arises from inadequate cybersecurity measures. Then we have the second aspect, which is the human and training risk. According to Lee and Carter 2021, 45% of employees report inadequate training is a primary reason for resisting technology adoption. Now I'm going to explore the key challenges that technology projects face and the strategies to effectively mitigate them. Understanding these challenges is crucial to ensure project success and minimize risks in dynamic technological environments. The first one is the cybersecurity risk and challenges associated with those cybersecurity risks includes increasing threats like data breaches, ransomware, and phishing attacks. It also includes weak access controls and unpatched vulnerabilities. The mitigation strategies could be zero trust security models to be implemented and to apply strict access controls. The second mitigation strategy is to detect cyber threats in real time and implement and use AI-powered threat detection. The third mitigation strategy is to ensure compliance with security protocols. Frequent cybersecurity audits should be directed as well. Challenges associated with operational risks include system crashes, hardware failures, and software bugs. It also includes lack of robust disaster recovery mechanisms. And the best mitigation strategies for operational risk involved in technology projects are implementing redundant infrastructure, proactive maintenance, and continuous monitoring. Then we have the challenges associated with vendor dependency risks. These include cost escalation, discontinued support, or failed upgrades. Mitigation strategies include multi-vendor strategies, long-term SLAs, and open source alternatives to reduce dependency. Strategic and ethical challenges and ethical challenges includes investments in outdated or misaligned technologies and ethical issues like AI biases and data privacy violations. Mitigation strategies are to implement ethical AI frameworks, additionally to align with data safety laws, conduct compliance audits daily. While developing innovative technologies, always try to use privacy by design principles. Then we have the challenges associated with market risk. It includes Rapid technological advancements, which leads to early obsolescence of solutions and failure to anticipate customer needs or market trends. The third one is misalignment between the product's features and market demand. Mitigation strategies are to conduct market feasibility studies, to align technological investments with customer demand, to use agile development methodologies for adjustments based on market feedback, and to incorporate scalability and flexibility into solutions to adapt to market changes. This bar graph shows the distribution of technology risks in the project based on industrial observation or expert opinions. The graph shows that cybersecurity threats and technical failures are the most significant risk factors, carrying a percentage of 30% and 25% respectively. The risk associated with cybersecurity is due to the increasing frequency of cyber attacks across various industries. The second most significant risk among all other risks is technical risk due to reliance on technology infrastructure. So why does this study matter? Organizations that proactively manage technology risk can not only mitigate potential challenges but also uses the full potential of technological innovations to drive project success. By adopting a strategic and forward-thinking approach, they enhance resilience, foster innovation, and create a competitive edge in an increasingly dynamic and technological-driven environment. So the technology risk in projects are unavoidable but can be managed through a combination of established frameworks, innovative tools, and proactive planning. To remain competitive in an increasingly digital world, organizations must adopt a holistic approach to risk management that not only addresses technical weaknesses but also considers strategic and human factors. Mitigation strategies should be diverse, blending traditional risk assessment methods with innovative techniques such as enhanced cybersecurity practices and predictive modeling.